Hi friends, let me show you these polishing sticks that I received for reviewing purposes. These are really nice. They come, you get 40 sticks, 4 for each grid, all the way from 80 up to 7,000. Being the lower numbers, a more rough polishing surface, and a finer one in the bigger numbers, okay? You can use these sticks. They are nicely sized to work, even with this fine side, to work with any craft, plastic toy, jewelry, small crafts, handcrafts, whatever you're working with. And the size will allow you to do a really fine job wherever you need it, okay? So whenever you need a fine polishing work, these polishing sticks are great. You get 4 for each grid, and you will use them in your project depending on the recommendation of the craft for the size of the grid or the density of the grid that you need, okay? So if you like handcraft, if you work with jewelry, with wood projects, with small toys, with plastic stuff, these polishing sticks are a great option for you. Thank you.